Hey, how you doing? I'm Brad Nelson with X Digital. We're a leader in Xerox refurbishment of copiers, printers, production equipment, but we're also a great source for any parts, supplies, or if you need help with service too, we can help you. Today we have for sale some Xerox IBT belts. We recommend the IBT belts be replaced in addition to replacing the IBT blade as well. These go into the Xerox, a lot of machines actually, the DocuColor 242, the 700, the C75, the J75. So it's a real common part that needs to be replaced. It's a common issue with these machines. Just want to show you, hey, we have a couple for sale. Obviously we have a ton more parts and supplies than that, but just want to give you an idea that X Digital is a great source for any parts or supplies. So feel free to reach out to us via our email, our website, or our phone number. So thanks a lot for watching our video and have a good day.